Welcome to my channel Technical Arcuen. Today's topic NAND gate and NOR gate, which are universal gates. Okay, so go for it. Now today's topic universal gates. NAND gate and NOR gates are known as universal gate because using these gates we can build basic logic gates like AND gate, OR gate and NOR gate. Okay. Now here first draw the OR gate using NAND gate. Okay. How? Two inputs are taken, A and B, and both are shorted, means both are going A. And also in case of this NAND gate, we are shorted this, means both inputs are B. Okay. And after that, draw the another NAND gate as final. In the first case, what will be the output? A complement. Why? Because both inputs are A, so A dot A and whole complement means A complement, and similarly this will be B complement. Now these inputs are A complement and B complement, so according to the NAND gate formula, A complement dot B complement in whole complement. What does mean? If we using the De Morgan's law, A double complement means A, and when the De Morgan's law are using on the operation, so it's also the revert. If it's a dot, it go plus. If it's plus, it go dot. So here the dot is there, so complementary using means it go plus. And similar way, B double complement means B. So what that mean? A plus B. A plus B means we get OR gate output. That means this diagram shows the OR gate. Okay. Now we go for the NAND gate, right? So in that case, NAND gate at first, and where the two inputs are separately A and B, and now this input for the next NAND gate are sorted. Okay. So what happened? In that case, here the output we get A dot B whole complement. Okay. And after that, when it is shorted, so what we get? A dot B whole complement dot A dot B whole complement and the total complement on that case. Similar fashion, whatever I am already told for the previous one, if we using A dot B double complement means we get A dot B. Okay. And the dot is go plus. Why? Because we are using the De Morgan's law here. And similarly, this will be get same way. And now if we think is a single input, so what happened? A dot B plus A dot B equal to A dot B only. Okay. And what will be the A dot B operation for? It is an AND gate. Clear? Now go for the NOT gate. Now for the NOT gate, we already actually discussed the NOT gate. Still I am defining that. Where I am discussing? In the OR gate. When we are defining the OR gate using NAND, this is your actually the NOT gate. So if there is input is A and this is a shorted, means both inputs are A, and what we get? A dot A means A and complement will be remaining to there. So what it means, this output NOT gate, so that's why it is the equivalent of the NOT gate. Means using NAND gate we are separately establish a OR gate, separately establishing the AND gate, and separately establishing the NOT gate. Means without using AND, OR and NOT, only using the NAND gates, we are already defined the basic building blocks gates like OR, AND and NOT gate using NAND gate. Okay. Next universal gate is NOR gate. Similar manner, we are defining AND, OR and NOT gate using NOR gates. Okay. So go for the diagram first. So we are defining first AND gate using NOR gate. Okay. this NOR gate is concerned, there is a two inputs are shorted, means both inputs are A for this NOR gate is concerned. And the second NOR gate is the same manner, both inputs are B, that's why it's a shorted. And now these two outputs are go in a single NOR gate. Okay. Now what will be the output of that? So A plus A means what? A, and complement will remain. So output will be A complement, and same manner there will be B complement is there. So now A complement and B complement are goes as input. Now what will be the output? A complement plus B complement and whole complement. Again we are using the De Morgan's law. So A double complement means we get A, plus is go dot, and B double complement means B. So what is A dot B? A dot B means AND gate. So this will form a AND gate. Okay. Now we go for the OR gate. We take a single NOR gate here where both inputs are A and B separately. What will be the output here? A plus B whole complement. Now these output are shorted and goes within a single NOR gate, right? So what is the output of this final NOR gate? We get A plus B complement plus A plus B complement and the whole complement, because this is a NOR gate. And if we think is a single, so what happened? A plus B whole complement plus A plus B whole complement, we get A plus B complement, and this complement is also remaining into here. And now A plus B double complement means we get A plus B. So A plus B means what operation? Is an OR gate operation. Okay. Now go for the NOT gate. We first take a shorted NOR gate. Means here the input are shorted, means both inputs are A in that NOR gate. So what will be the output? A plus A whole complement. Now A plus A means A and complement is given. So A complement means it's what gate? It's a NOT gate. Okay. So means similarly using NOR gates we can form individually AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. That's why these two gates, one is NAND and another is NOR, both are known as universal gates. Some rules for Boolean expression which is needed when we do some expression solving like universal gate or the other cases. These rules are important. There are also the another rules is also there, but most important rules are that when A double complement means A is an input, when it using double complement, so we get A, right? When 0 and is a complemented, we get 1. When 1 is complemented, then we get 0. When 1 plus 0, we get 1. When 1 dot 0, we get 0. Okay. Now these two important theorem is known as the De Morgan's law theorem. Okay. What is that? A plus B whole complement, using De Morgan's theorem or law, we can write that A complement dot B complement means the normal, if the complement is there, the normal is go complement and the complement is go normal, the plus is go dot and dot is go plus. So A is a normal using complement, that's why A complement, plus is a complemented, that's why it's called dot, and B is a normal, now it's a complemented, that's a B complement. Similarly, a similar way we can write here A dot B whole complement means A complement dot is go plus, B is a normal, that's why B complement. Okay. So these two theorem is most important for logic gates expressions. Okay. Now the another two law or expression rules should be remember. A plus A equal to A means A may be 0, may be 1, whatever the value. So A plus A should be A, and A dot A also be A, means whatever the value of A, the output should be A. If A is 1, so 1 dot 1 is 1. If A is 0, so 0 dot 0 is 0. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic. In my description box you will get my previous topic link.